EJ totally loved this broccoli. You wanna hold your spoon? Do you love this broccoli? Wanna hold it? You're making a messy. Whoop! There you go. Just sit there and suck on that spoon. That's what he's doing. Don't choke yourself with it. Good job! He won't give it back. You got a tight grip on that thing, little buddy. Is that yummy? It's all falling out of your mouth. That's why you should let Mommy do it for now. She'll get better. Oh, he wants to hold. There goes the spoon. You want to hold your own spoon? I know. Such a big boy now. Yummy.